Okay, here's a small car engine conversion here, and using the small car bell housing there. And here's a Syncro gearbox. And I just wanted to show you guys and gals that I did this here. I used some ratchet straps to hang the gearbox, and you can see another one, that blue one there. And the gearbox is just hanging, you know, on these straps. And I pulled the bell housing back a bit, enough to stick my hands in there, and you can see that the slave bearing is gone, but you have to pull it back far enough to get it off of the pilot shaft there. It works. And you don't have to drag the whole gearbox out from under the van. You can do it in that space. All right. Good luck. Hope you don't have to do this.